The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Hapadang gajing bom don ka syong sok syong sngan haki benta ka rilum Garo namar gajing Kynad Um-Snam ka balam mi na gajing le ki jat benriu Garo ban pakhang ya gajing yo sim benta ban ya le election MDC sya Garo Hills Autonomous District Council da ki bom dai ki rilum ki bor Pulit Nongbah Shillong ki lapan pau ba ki long Husiar bah ba yo ka ni gajing Kynad kan pur keleng kham tam ki khubor bom shisha na ki rensan social media. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor Udiwan Spande, Superintendent of Police City Shillong, Ulaong. Bakumba kalong kamdan AA ke bapentot Nongbah Shillong, bat ki Pulit ru ki pet ngor da kejinga trailang bat ki bor snong. Ulaong baki Pulit ki sim kia ban pet baki rensan social media kim dai ban pen priang kubor lam ler ki bala ban pen kelang ya kejinga Kynad bat pentot pat ya ka syong sok syong sngan.
As far as this present time and date is concerned, the situation in and around Shillong City remains peaceful. We have intensified patrolling in the areas where we felt there required our extra presence. But all in all, the situation is under control. We are constantly in touch with the local communities and with the VPPs, with the local Darbar Shnongs, and we are getting their full cooperation. And as of now, we are quite hopeful that the situation is under control in Shillong City. So we are also constantly monitoring the social media, like you rightly said, rumors, they spread very fast. But till this point is concerned, we did not have felt the need to take action based on any chatter that is going on in the social media regarding the developments in the Garo Hills. So regarding the demonstration for tomorrow, arrangements have been made to ensure that everything happens peacefully and that no untoward incident happens. We have enough resources to ensure that the situation in Shillong City and in other parts of the district remains peaceful as it is till now. So we are in touch with the local Darbar Shnongs. We have intensified patrolling in the areas. We are monitoring social media to prevent any rumor mongering from people who might try to disturb the law and order situation and the communal harmony in the city of Shillong.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.